3, 2, 1.
Charlie, send mo lang yung Monti.
Thank you, Tito Monti. Thank you.
Oh, you say thank you, Ben.
Thank you, Tito Monti.
Let's go! Dalan!
I was born where the oak trees grow, where the creek runs fast and the tractors roll. Sunday supper on the porch swing seat, granddad boots on my little feet. Mama's prayers and daddy's calloused hands built this boy into the man I am. Every scar's got a story to tell, from raising a little hell. I was raised on the red dirt, roots run deep, where the sky's wide open and the fields don't sleep. Bonfires blaze, guitars get loud, we turn that dust into a cloud. We know where we're from, we don't forget. The sunset's gold and our boots stay red. Yeah, I'm proud of this small town shirt, 'cause I was raised on the red dirt. We chased the sun in a beat-up Ford, tank half empty but we still roared. Front seat love, hearts wild and free, her name carved in that old pine tree. Summer nights spent under the stars, dreaming big but staying right where we are. These roads made us who we'll be, and they'll always carry me. I was raised on the red dirt, roots run deep, where the sky's wide open and the fields don't sleep. Bonfires blaze, guitars get loud, we turn that dust into a cloud. We know where we're from, we don't forget. The sunset's gold and our boots stay red. Yeah, I'm proud of this small town shirt, 'cause I was raised on the red dirt.
Kaya naman guys, pali lang naman.
My soul, I was raised on the red dirt.
Ano yan, boy? Ha?
Ano yun? Nakasakay yan sa bull eh.
Oo. Mukhang yung darang yun eh. At sige na eh.
Ano ba?
A little dust on my jeans don't hurt, it's in my soul. I was raised on the red dirt.
Ausenin tayo ng
Trucks here. Open this truck.
Nakulad na nga naman toys mo.
Not here. Wait, let me show it to you. Oh, before I do this. That's fit because he's big. Oh, is it
Tulong. Ay, you don't like, hindi. I'll stay outside. As this is the stable. Yes. The house. Ate.
Another successful
So here is your trophy.
a tough pull, but an even tougher ride.
Go, pasok. Next boy. Yung trophy. Yung kopya na. Ano po yun? Ang itatago. Mas ka na naman tindahan carrots.
Solano Alves.
Solano Alves?
Magic.
Carrot for sale. Carrot for sale. What's a delicious carrot? We're having a rodeo. You can give us some of the hearts.
In New York City.
want-
This is Matt West. Here for another
You want
highlights of the
some or
sport.
no?
Professional
But I'm
bull.
getting a bucket though. Come on,
Take some.
come on, you need to get some fresh carrots. These are so good. I'm coming out. I have no time left. Please, here. My hat. Here you go. Wait. You don't like. Get my hat. Pull it down. Sorry. Roger needs to get it. Yeehaw! Let's do it backwards. 1. Bubble. 2. 3. Open the gate! Go! Second. Guys, this is our caramel rodeo shows. You can also buy this. And this is my nose. Oh, something. Put this in here. I can see also smoothie. I put all the big bowls. Then I'll put this little calf here. There's a little calf hole. There's a close. There's Hey guys, all my stops. Try some. These are the rodeos I try forever. What is this? Bye guys, thank you for watching my farm world. Please like and subscribe for my farm world, and I'll give you some free farm world rodeo show. And bye bye guys, thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.